Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making a Chipotle Shrimp Tacos in the oven that is fairly easy to make. Here are my ingredients: avocado, onion, lime, jalapeno, minced garlic, tomatoes, corn tortillas, cheese, chipotle peppers, salt, pepper, oil. Here are my shrimp. They're already cleaned and deveined. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by chopping our jalapeno. If you would like your shrimp tacos to be spicy, go ahead and keep the seeds, but I will not be keeping the seeds for this recipe. Now dice the jalapenos into small pieces. Now place your diced jalapeno in a bowl. And I am using half of a large onion, but if you have a small onion, feel free to use the whole onion. Now slice this in half. Now slice your lime, and we need about a tablespoon of lime juice for this recipe. Just squeeze that right in here. Add your garlic and your chipotle peppers. Add your salt and black pepper. Now go ahead and give this a good mix. This looks perfect, and this is exactly what you're looking for. Now set this aside. I am using jumbo shrimp for this recipe, and I'm going to dice them up, but feel free to use popcorn shrimp for this recipe. So if you're using larger shrimp, so this is the size I'm cutting them to, just small bite pieces. That's perfect. Now add your oil to a pan. This is over medium heat. Now add your veggies. Now we are going to allow this to cook down until the veggies are softened. After 5 minutes, this is how it's looking. As you can see, the tomatoes are starting to soften down, but we want this to cook down and evaporate. Now that our sauce has evaporated, it looks amazing. So now go in with your shrimp. Make sure that the shrimp are well coated with the sauce. We're going to allow the shrimp to cook for about 2 minutes. And we are not going to fully cook these because we will be putting them in the oven. So about 2 minutes should be perfect. After 2 minutes, our shrimps are done. Go ahead and remove them from the heat, and we'll get started with the tortillas. Now grab a cookie sheet, and we are going to add some oil. Now get your brush and just kind of spread the oil. Now line your tortillas. Now we're going to brush some oil on top of the tortillas. Now we are going to add some cheese on top of the tortillas. And guys, don't forget to preheat your oven to 440 degrees and make sure that your rack is on the lowest rack. Add the shrimp right on top. just like so. This looks perfect. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. So after adding your shrimp on top, we are going to bake this about 7 to 10 minutes. Hello guys, so my shrimp tacos are ready. I went and added some cilantros, avocados, and sour cream to this. How about that taste test? I'm going to squeeze some lime juice on here. And guys, take a look. This looks delish, okay? Oh my gosh. So good. These tacos are so crunchy, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.